There are many free tips and suggestions on the internet, and they will teach you how to make money from a blog. Many bloggers are eager to share their secrets because in return, they gain popularity and can build visitors in this way. If you want to take advantage of a blog, you have to consider all possible sources of income. You can use them to maximize your income. If one source of income is not performing well, you can rely on a few potential sources of income. More and more bloggers are encouraging many options that can be used as potential sources of income. Advertising programs are the most used source of income for bloggers. It's easy to learn how to make money through blogs this way, and it doesn't require any complicated systems. It can pay through clicks or revenue sharing through commissions on blog sales of products. You can also earn income through sponsorship. The ability to attract a larger audience through online advertising has stimulated product owners' interest in buying advertising space on blogs. To get sponsors, you must have content related to the product being advertised. You may also need to write content that can pre-sell products. Creative bloggers are also seeing the potential of marketing their digital assets to inject more revenue into their blogs. Bloggers can make money by writing and selling ebooks, or by conducting online courses and seminars. This is very effective, especially if the blogger has built up a certain reputation and his blog has a large number of readers. By studying the blogs of other bloggers, you can get more ideas on how to make money from blogs. Nothing beats learning from an expert, and as your experience grows, you can come up with your own effective methods, and it is possible to start a trend.